Hello students, in previous video we have completed lesson number 10 and now we have to start with the exercise, but as we are doing it after a very long time, so let us revise the lesson once again and then we will start the exercise. So in this lesson what we have learned is about the air. So composition of air, जो एयर है वो हमारी मिक्सचर होती है इनविजिबल गैसेस से, एंड इन दैट it is mainly made up of nitrogen, that is 78%, then oxygen nearly 21%, and it also contains water vapor and small amounts of other gases, and these other gases includes carbon dioxide, ozone, helium and hydrogen. So this is the composition of air. Now then we have discussed about the importance of air. So what is the importance? You all know that all the human beings and animals need oxygen to live, and we get this oxygen from the air. And the oxygen present in the air is used to produce energy from food that is eaten. And in this process carbon dioxide is formed and breathed out. And we have also discussed the activity which shows that oxygen is required for burning. That is, without oxygen burning does not take place. So कभी भी कोई भी चीज बर्न नहीं होती जब तक कि ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट नहीं होती. And plant also require air, so we have also discussed the activity. And plant need air to live, and they use up carbon dioxide gas that is present in the air, and they prepare their food by the process known as photosynthesis. So they carry out this process in the presence of sunlight. And then we have discussed about the how nature maintains a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide. So animals and human beings use oxygen gas present in the air and give out carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide is consumed by the plants during photosynthesis during daytime, and then they give out oxygen, and in this way this cycle keeps on going, and the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained in the air. And then we have discussed about the role of nitrogen. So nitrogen is essential for the growth of plants, and the thing is that the plant cannot absorb this nitrogen directly from the air. Nitrogen gas has to be changed into the other forms to be utilized by the plants, and the bacteria present in the soil help to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into such specific forms that are nitrates and ammonium salt. And then these salts are taken up by the plant and with the help of roots. So nitrogen from the air, that bacteria the soil acts on nitrogen, and that nitrogen gets converted into specific form, and then the specific form of nitrogen get absorbed by the plants for their growth. This is a flow chart. Then the atmosphere as a shield. So atmosphere also consists as a shield, very much like an umbrella, to protect us from the harmful rays of sunlight. So ozone gas present in the upper layer of the atmosphere prevents harmful ultraviolet rays of sunlight from reaching the earth surface. So ozone है वो harmful rays होती है जो sunlight की, उसको ये prevent करती है अर्थ surface तक पहुंचने से. Otherwise जो ultraviolet rays है it can cause skin and eye disease in animal and affect the growth of plants. And then we have discussed about the pollution of air, that what is pollution, polluted air. So air में जब germs से dust particle or you can say impurities mix हो जाती है, then it becomes impure or polluted, and it can contains harmful gases like carbon dioxide, monoxide, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. The air having such impurities are called polluted air, or impurities are called pollutants. And two basic forms of pollutants are gaseous pollutants and solid pollutants. These are the examples. And then we have discussed about that how does the air gets polluted. These are the causes of how air gets polluted, and then the effects of air pollution. कि क्या effects है air pollution के? First of all, it can cause skin and eye diseases, and then gases like oxides of nitrogen and sulfur present in the automobile exhausts get mixed with rainwater and form acids. And this acid rain, उससे क्या हो जाता है? Acid rain, जिससे हमारी क्रॉप्स एंड डैमेज हो सकती है, एंड इट ऑल्सो रिड्यूसेस द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल, एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो डैमेज मॉन्यूमेंट्स मेड ऑफ मार्बल. एंड लास्ट वन इज द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, जो कि हमारी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस की वजह से हो रही है. So presence of carbon dioxide and some other gases in air causes a phenomenon called greenhouse effect. And this phenomena helps the earth to stay suitably warm. However, if these gases are present in excess in air, their increased greenhouse effects can cause global warming. So अगर ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इंक्रीज हो जाती है ज़्यादा हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में, तो जिससे क्या हो जाती है? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, और जिससे कि हमारी जो आइस है वो मेल्ट होती है और हमको खतरा हो सकता है. एंड देन वेज टू रिड्यूस एयर पॉल्यूशन. कैसे हम एयर पॉल्यूशन रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं? वी शुड प्लांट मोर ट्रीज, लेसर यूज ऑफ व्हीकल्स, रेगुलर चेकअप ऑफ व्हीकल्स, use of cleaner fuels like LPG, CNG, and dumping of the garbage in a pit. Instead of burning them, we should dump in a garbage in a pit. Construct tall chimneys. Why? Because the smoke coming out of them goes higher up in the atmosphere and is not inhaled by us. And last is your good habits, that we should cover our nose and mouth while sneezing or coughing, so that germs of diseases are not released in the air. So that is what we have learned in the lesson, and now we will start with the exercise. So first question is your fill-ups. First one is the two main gases present in the air are. So you know the composition of air. तो सबसे ज़्यादा अमाउंट में कौन सी गैसेस है, मेन गैसेस कौन सी प्रेजेंट है एटमॉस्फेयर में? सो यू नो सबसे ज़्यादा अमाउंट में है नाइट्रोजन, एंड सेकेंड नंबर पे आती है हमारी ऑक्सीजन. सो दीज आर द टू मेन गैसेस प्रेजेंट इन द एयर. नेक्स्ट इज एनिमल्स नीड डैश गैस फॉर ब्रीदिंग. सो यू नो दैट कौन सी गैस है जो एनिमल्स को और ह्यूमन बींग्स को ब्रीथ करते हुए चाहिए? सो एनिमल्स नीड ऑक्सीजन गैस. एनिमल्स नीड ऑक्सीजन गैस फॉर ब्रीदिंग. देन प्लांट्स यूज डैश गैस टू प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड. सो विच गैस इज यूज्ड बाय प्लांट्स टू प्रिपेयर देयर फूड in the process of photosynthesis? So plants use carbon dioxide gas. Plants use carbon dioxide gas to prepare their own food. The process by which plants prepare their food is called. So process का क्या नाम है जिससे कि plants अपना food prepare करते हैं? So that is called photosynthesis. Next is dash gas present in the atmosphere protects us from the harmful rays of sunlight. So we have learned that how atmosphere acts as a field, and which gas prevents the harmful ultraviolet rays reaching to the earth surface. तो कौन सी गैस है? That is a ओजोन गैस. ओजोन लेयर होती है, वो प्रिवेंट करती है अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज हार्मफुल जो होती है उसको अर्थ सरफेस तक पहुंचने में. एयर कंटेनिंग इम्प्योरिटीज इज कॉल्ड डैश. सो ऐसी एयर जिसमें इम्प्योरिटीज प्रेजेंट होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड polluted air. Polluted air होती है जिसमें impurities present होती है. So we have completed the fill-ups, and in next video we will discuss the remaining part of this exercise. Thank you.